Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane.
Alrighty, we have got the next set of assembled PCBs, and they were assembled by CTE Technology. And I hope they don't mind me putting their guy that shipped them to me's name. Anyway, let's open them up and see what they look like. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video. Nothing special. I just thought I'd show everybody because I know we've got people on a waiting list for these guys, and they're probably very interested to see how they came out. I know I am. Alright, so we have 10 sets, 30 PCBs altogether, and let's see. So here's the main PCBs. Let's see, what are these? Now they're button PCBs, and these are the high voltage PCBs. Alright, so let's see here. First things first, we'll just open up the buttons, PCBs here real quick, and see what they look like. Let's see, make sure I do this where I don't cut the PCB. That would not be good. Oh, very nice. Well, I got them little anti-static bags. Isn't that nice? I'm not going to open them all up. We can just look at one. Wow, that's very nice. Okay. Alright. That looks pretty good. See all the LEDs are through there. Oh yeah, very nice. We'll have to get them under the microscope here in a bit and see how good their clean job is. But as far as the solder goes, it looks very nice. Wow. Okay. Now let's stick that guy back in there. All right. I am dying of curiosity. The button PCBs are fairly easy. I can hand solder one of them guys in, I don't know, 20 minutes. Assuming I have all the parts laid out, that is. Yeah, this is the hard one. A nice little anti-static bag, very nice, attention to detail. And yeah. See, I'll try to hold it up there. You guys can take a look at it. Oh yeah, by the way, after it's soldered, you gotta pull this little piece off there. I didn't tell them that. This is just to protect the speaker during assembly, reflow, mainly cleaning. Alright. Yeah, looks good. You notice there's no header pins. That's because the production models are going to be all soldered in place, so there won't be any headers on there. Well, except for these terminal blocks, but that's something different. Yeah, we'll have to get this under the microscope and get a better look at that reflow on that LTC chip, because that could be a real bugger. But yeah, I don't see. Everything looks very nice. It's nice and clean. So okay, great. Oh yeah, they got the button on there. Excellent. Alright, last but not least, yeah, they assembled these. The poor guys. When I ordered the parts for this, I assumed I was going to hand assemble all of them. And so I didn't order them on reels or the You know, all the components were in cut tape. Yeah, that looks very good. Oh, look at that. Isn't that? So the example I sent him had all the lettering of these safety caps lined up in the right direction. It's basically just to give it some uniformity. They copied that perfectly. Excellent. Very good attention to detail. Yeah, soldering these things can be challenging. Now they look good, and I have no idea how. Let me hold it up so you can see it better. Sorry, I'm trying to look at it through the camera, but it's easier for me to look around the camera than it is through the camera. Well, let's just take a quick look at that ADC under the scope, and we'll be done. The main PCB, that CTE assembled under the scope now. I'll go ahead and zoom in. We want to take a look at that LTC 2984. Whoa, chip. Uh-oh, come on, focus. There we go. Okay, well, see, I have to look. The reason why I'm doing this, I have to look through the scope, and I won't be able to tell if it goes out of focus on you until when I'm editing the video, and that's really annoying when that happens. And now check the alignment. Here's pin number 1. There's a marker for number 1's. Chips on there straight, and a little more light on there. Yeah, the solder job looks pretty good. Looking down here at the pins, everything's nice and clean. It's aligned well. Yeah. This is I think it's 0.4 millimeter pin pitch chip. It can be a real pain. I'm looking at, you know, I had the same problem. I like the solder to kind of fill up all the way to the edges, but I know it's not possible without getting a lot of solder bridges. I ended up fixing a bunch of them when I was working on it. Yeah, all the looking at the caps, everything looks aligned well. Nice solder on those guys. I don't see any solder balls hanging around. That's good. All the joints look good. Yeah, these little transistors look pretty good. I know it says D. I'm using it as a diode. Yeah, this is one of the, in case you're wondering, it's one of the temperature sensors on transistors. Internal resistance vary with temperature, and I'm using it as the onboard diode. And if you've watched my videos before, you probably know that already. These got pretty close, but that has nothing to do with similar. That has something to do with my layout. All right. Yeah, everything looks good. Oh yeah, let's check out this flat flex connector. This is also 0.4 millimeter pin pitch, and yeah, it looks like they did well. I wonder if they had to pick out any solder balls. I had to do that, but yeah, everything looks good. Very nice. It's nice and clean. That's very nice. I don't see anything tombstoned. They didn't really send me any feedback on the layout, so I'm guessing everything. I asked them if anything tombstoned, you know, if the resistors stand up because there's not enough thermal relief on them. But they didn't send anything back, so I'm guessing everything was okay. So yeah. All right. Well, thumbs up. Oh, you can't see my thumb. Well, that's a thumbs up, even though you can't really see it. So, excellent. This is the hardest one to do. I'm sure the others are probably just fine. I won't bother. I already kind of showed you a picture of them. So, yeah, this is great. Very happy with this. So, excellent. So there you have it. Now we've got 10 more. I just need to get them all put together and put them up for sale.
Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.